when we enter towards Sora at the market of Dimpep viewpoint.
Menteri Ketenat Boarding UAT Mondal ulakot ke Sikkim Bansha Kentup haka North Eastern Regional Power Committee lani ke Nerpc. Daga berpenpau ba kajing penbej halo kani ke kam kala banlong haka jingalang jong ke Nerpc ha ubnai banwan ha aizol. Mondal ulaong ba ke Sikkim wat la ka don ka jingadai bat ka North East hagi babon ki benta Henry ka dangsa hapo ke Eastern Zone na ka benta ke boarding bat menteri rang ba ke Sikkim ulam menjer ban penyeso bat kini ke zon. Lakan tu ia tenat boarding ban penkela ia ke rai jong usnam ahajasan ban peni ia ke jengkela. Mondal ulaong ba kini ke senjam kan penbaha ia ke jeng trailang hagi than bat kan ai jeng mento ia ke jela lingba ka jeng penbaha ia ke jeng sam boarding bat ka jengla ban yo ia ke jeng donkam bakongsan.
I tried to bring Sikkim to northeast, but because of the reluctance by Eastern Zone, it could not be done. So this time I requested the Honorable Power Minister that it would be thankful for Sikkim, it is helpful for Sikkim, and it will be also helpful for Northeast if Sikkim is tagged with Northeast, which he told that he will look into, and he asked the Honorable Chief Minister of Sikkim that whether he is willing to be with the Eastern Zone or with Northeast Zone, and he also agreed that he will be there.
Ulat ke jela UCH Vijay Shankar ulap penkup burom